do a mask, a peel-off mask. So I'm just using that peel-off mask at the moment until I run out. I like to just use one product until, you know, I use it all up. I don't like having 30 masks to choose from. It's just too overwhelming for me. It's a stressor and it's too overwhelming. So if masking is supposed to, you know, be like a meditative or just very like self-care type of thing, 30 masks to choose from isn't very calming. So yeah, I just have one, that Dr. Wellness one that I got from TJ Maxx a while back. And once I use that up, I'll buy a new one. I'm also going to do my nails today. When I say do my nails, I mean I'm going to apply, you know, those glue-on nails. And I just want to do like a close-up of my face for the day before the mask, before the masque. Not bad at all. No, not bad at all. I do have a return for the garage that I need to make today. I've got a mini haul. The first thing I wanted to open is, of course, my Scentbird monthly subscription. And this really makes a great Christmas gift, I think, personally. So my perfume for the month is Dolce & Gabbana's Pour Femme. I don't know if it's Pour Femme or Pour Femme, but it's Dolce & Gabbana's. And it has notes of jasmine, raspberry, vanilla, marshmallow, and tangerine. Ooh, that sounds pretty. That sounds like a pretty scent. And that does smell good. That does. So, like I was saying, so I think subscriptions like Scentbird subscriptions, for example, I think these make great Christmas gifts. You know, you could do a subscription run for 6 months for that special person, but yeah, definitely consider Scentbird, subscription to Scentbird as maybe a nice gift to give someone. Another purchase is this Youth to the People. It is a kale and green tea spinach superfood cleanser, and this is new. It's also an Allure like best product. It's a Reader's Choice Award winner. So I'm giving this a try, this cleanser. Another item that I got, and this one's an Amazon purchase, is this L'Oreal Frost and Design. So I think I'm going to do frosting. You guys have been with me on my endless hair journey. If you've watched my vlogs, you've seen the various ways that I've just really tried to you know, like just go along with my grays instead of fighting it. But I have not done black box dye, which was my goal, is to just not do black box dye anymore, because that's what I was dyeing my hair. Black box dye, like in dark black, midnight black, raven black. So I'm no longer on the black train. My hair is a little lighter. It is definitely not black. But I loved it. I loved that dark black color. That's why I kept coloring it black. But my grays, I'm just tired of constantly dyeing it. So I'm just trying to go lighter and lighter. I'm trying to go lighter, and you know, blend in my grays eventually until it just peters out and it's just completely gray. So yeah, I am going to tackle this at some point this week. Wish me luck. So moving on to, you know, clothing. I know I threw that Amazon dress in there, but let me bring that back. So I did purchase this Amazon dress because I wanted to feature some holiday looks. So I think maybe tomorrow I will take pictures of this and show you what this looks like. And that was an Amazon purchase. Some other Amazon purchases in regards to, and this one is a gift. It is, so this is another Amazon purchase. And this is a gift that I wanted to gift someone. And it's from Amazon, and I think this was like 14. I think it was 14, which I think is a pretty good price. So cute and a great price. And some other things that I purchased because it's cold out here. It is cold. Is this beanie, and this is a beanie from Walmart, and I took pictures, I took outfit pictures earlier, from earlier today with this beanie on, and this was $5 at Walmart. You know how the new trend in beanies is for it to like be, to kind of like flop up here. I don't